Hi everyone, have you ever wondered what is artificial intelligence, big data and IoT? Seems that we are able to see all this term everywhere right now nowadays. The whole world is talking about artificial intelligence, big data, industrial 4.0 and IoT. But have you ever wondered what is artificial intelligence? How can it be implemented in our daily life? And is it harmful to us? I believe many of us is questioning about it. And most importantly, can artificial intelligence understand our true feeling or true emotion? If you wanted to know more, please do not hesitate to join our webinar in the 20th of September. Thank you ThickNess Learning Academy for inviting me to share our knowledge in the webinar session. I hope to see you soon on the day. Thank you everyone.